Hello everybody and welcome to the CPCC YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. If this is your first time, we would love for you to subscribe, and if you're coming back to us, welcome back again. Today I have a simple and fun sensory bin idea that was one of my favorites to do with the kids in the center, but I'm going to show you how to do it yourself at home. So this sensory bin is what I like to call a pom-pom kitchen. And so what you do is you get some pom-poms, and then also you just grab some spoons, mixers, anything really that you would find in the kitchen you can use, and then some bowls, cups, anything you'd like, and then just a clear container that you can fill up with water. So what you do is you put water in here, stick these guys in, and you get to playing. It's really that simple. It's a lot of fun. The kids love the texture of the pom-poms, and then you can lay them out in the sun to dry them and use them again or use them for crafts, but I'm going to send us to a clip of what it looks like all put together. And this is what it looks like put all together. So as you can see in here, I've got some spoons, I've got my bowl, and then all of my pom-poms, and they are so fun to squish all the water out of. So I encourage you to try this with your little ones and let us know how it goes. And there you have it, our pom-pom kitchen sensory bin. You can add any additional things that you like that you find in your kitchen at home. You can add food coloring to the water to make it more exciting, or some biodegradable glitter. Really the possibilities are endless, and I encourage you to include your child in picking out different things that they can put in the bin. And so thank you everybody for joining us on our YouTube video. We post new videos every Thursday, so make sure you're back on our channel next Thursday, and we'll see you then. Thanks guys.